birthday, America! Today I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a 4th of July surprise float. Watcha! Thing you need for this video is going to be your paper, your pencil, and your markers. Don't forget to smash that like, subscribe button, and let's get right to this video!
Alright, first thing we're going to start for our 4th of July surprise fold is going to be folding it. So like, your piece of paper is right here. So we're going to fold the top end to the very bottom. So it's kind of like a card. Got it right there, and then fold the crease right there at the top. Okay, then we're gonna keep it like this, then take the top and then fold it back down to the bottom. So it's like this. And then we're gonna open it, and then it should be like this. So then it opens up like that and like that. Okay, so we're gonna start with the fireworks. So we're gonna draw. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you guys can see it. So we're gonna draw 2 lines right here that are kind of spread apart. Kind of like a curved line right here, then one right here. We're gonna draw a cone. We're gonna draw some stripes. On it. Kind of like a stick from it. So kind of like, you know, like you hold the firework. Never mind. So yeah, it's gonna look like this, and when we open it, we're gonna say 4th of July. So yeah, so you're gonna want to make it look like it kind of just exploded there. So you could add like little like zigzag lines right here, so it looks like it just exploded. And you don't want to go above this line right here when you make fireworks and stuff. I don't know why I'm saying that right now. Sorry. So it kind of looks like a big explosion. So when you fold it back up, I don't want to erase that one right there. So when it looks like this, it's like a normal firework, but then it explodes. Okay, so we're gonna write 4th, then a little of, and then write July. Exclamation point. Because we gotta emphasize that it's 4th of July. So now when you fold it back up, ka-chow. So it says 4th of July. Now time for some fireworks. Now time for some fireworks. I cannot speak. Okay, so in little random areas, we're gonna draw some circles, at least 3. Then we're gonna draw little like ovals coming from it, so it's kind of like fireworks exploding. So you're gonna draw 6 ovals. Actually, no, you're gonna draw 8. So 3 on top, 3 on bottom, 2 on side. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of like that. And you can also add more extra stuff like little like circles to emphasize, not for more fireworks, but like for, you know, for little like dots that could be red, white, and blue. And also these lines right here, you want to make them go longer, so it kind of looks like it's like that. Okay, so now when we close it back up, normal firework. You can't see that. And wow, 4th of July. Okay, so we are going to start coloring. So these are gonna be all your colors right now. 2 reds, 2 blues, and then a gray. For most of this is for shading, and then an outline marker, which is gonna be black. You're just gonna need another outline marker. So yeah, let's get outlining and coloring. Ka-chow! Alright, and that's how you make your 4th of July, 4th of July firework surprise fold. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.